Hi, welcome to my channel, Untethered for Life. Today we're going to be going to the Sante Fe Art District in Denver, Colorado on the first Friday of the month. If you're a fan of art, you're not going to want to miss this video. It has the widest range of art I have ever seen anywhere, period. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we are on 7th and Sante Fe in an area known as the Sante Fe Art District. All up and down Sante Fe on the first Friday of every month, the art galleries open themselves up to the public, providing food and drink, entertainment. There is just an incredible amount of art here, and some of it's affordable, some of it's obnoxiously expensive, but it's all available to look at. All right, let's go check it out. And one of the cool things about starting on the south side of the Sante Fe Art District is that one of the first galleries you'll come across is the Denver Art Society. It's a nonprofit organization that hosts open space for the public to showcase their art. Anyone can show art uncensored here. And they also have some studio space available in the basement, which we'll check out as well. Now, if you visit Sante Fe often, you'll notice that many of these galleries shift and kind of mold and change. You may come across an artist you've already seen, but they may have different art up, or they'll change segments of the gallery entirely. A perfect example is this artist here, Aaron Coulthard. I have seen him at the Denver Art Society multiple times. I'm drawn to his art because it's abstract and he's inspired by the state of Colorado. In fact, I own a piece of his art. It's hanging above my bed. So I also have to point out, I have to give a shout out to Crystal Sizzler. She helped us buy this home. She also helped us sell my mother's home when she passed away. As I go through these various cities, towns, and main streets, you might find a place that seems real interesting. If you're thinking about moving to Colorado, it's important to have someone you can trust and depend on. I grew up with Crystal, we went to high school together, and she knows Colorado just as well as I do. I'm gonna go ahead and include her information down below. If you're looking to move to Colorado, you should totally hit her up. This time around at the Denver Art Society, they designated a couple spaces for UV reactive art, which was really fun to see. As you walk the Sante Fe Art District, There's also plenty of live music, live paintings, and people just showcasing their art real time, which is really fun.
Another interesting aspect of the Santa Fe Art District is that as you walk through these galleries, you get pretty intimate exposure to a lot of the workspaces that these artists work in. It really helps you feel connected to the art that's being presented. Check out some of these spaces, they're pretty cool. Like any good Colorado event, there's a strong sense of community with a variety of organizations appearing. Like Denver Works, a nonprofit organization that helps with employment and building self-reliance. The Denver Public Library shows up and sets up a space where people can paint and participate in art themselves, as well as a handful of smaller grassroots clubs and groups. So when you visit the Santa Fe Art District, expect to be on your feet for a while. I'd also expect that you'll need something to eat at some point. Now, fortunately, there are food trucks everywhere. We stopped by this New Orleans-inspired food truck. They took a rail car and modified it. They served po' boys and beignets, and it was really good.
Hey, can we get a shrimp po' boy, a hot links po' boy, and then an order of beignets?
It's almost 7 o'clock. We grabbed some dinner. We grabbed some po' boys. Pretty cool food truck. It looks like they utilized an old trolley and made a food truck out of it. We'll go and see how these po' boys are. Bon appetit. At this point, we're well fed and we've reached the end of the line north
always heading south. Now, as the evening progresses, more and more people begin to show up. I personally want to make sure that I have some time to see the art, and if that's you, I'd suggest getting there early. As the evening progresses, people are more social, they start opening up, you can have drinks, and it's just a really cool and exciting and fun atmosphere. On this particular First Friday, the Metropolitan State University had a grand opening for the Center for Visual Arts. It was packed. Well, that was it. Thank you for checking out the Santa Fe Art Walk with me. I hope it inspires you to get out and check it out yourself. With that, I explore things all over the state of Colorado, constantly looking for things to see, eat, and do. If you live in Colorado or you're thinking about moving here or you're gonna vacation here, I'd encourage you to subscribe to my channel to find neat and interesting things to do in this gorgeous state.